to make this quick video here. It's been a few days since I made one, and there's been quite a bit of movement in the market. If you look here, let's see, I'm $125.72 in profit on the month. I took a loss on the Great British Pound USD. I think it was yesterday for $44.10. My indicators that I use pretty much tell me what's going on and the settings that I have. Um, the best Forex strategy is about gaining profits, not pips. I mean, that's how you measure it, is with pips, and I don't actually do it the way a lot of people do it. Um, they say there's an imaginary decimal point. I don't count pips that way. I just say what it is on the chart. If you look, the second number there is the amount of pips. That's what I go by. And then if you set a stop loss or something, then it will tell you it's X amount of pips, and that's what it is. I don't put no imaginary decimal point in there. But anyways, the best Forex strategy, the indicators I'm using combined with the settings, and that's the most important thing, because the indicators I'm using are free. You get them with the best Forex strategy. You get a free copy of the Codex of Money. The Codex of Money explains a mathematical formula for success or increase, and there is a mathematical formula, but you have to do it right, and there's no other book like it. They take equations like the law of attraction and this and that. And yeah, those factors are figured into it, but it's not the complete thing, because Einstein actually had the mathematical formula. So it's not really new. It's just people, uh, I don't know whether it's hocus pocus or what. I don't know, but they're taking the wrong approach to it. You can sit around and wish all day you want, and um, it's not going to do anything until you take action. You have to apply action, and if you're going in the wrong direction, I mean, action. It doesn't do you any good to run backwards, right? So, anyways, I explain all that in the Codex of Money, but you get a free copy of it with the best Forex strategy. And right now, like I said, I'm $125 in profit for the month. It is now 3:19 p.m. New York time. If my thing will pop up here, I'll show it. But anyways, I don't want to ramble on like this. But so there it is. We are Saturday. It's Saturday, March 5th, 3:19 p.m. And so right now, see, I'm at a loss on a couple of these. I've got some orders out. I'm applying my strategy right now. So the market is closed, but I'm $4,458.28 in profit. I actually, just to recap, this is growing a smaller account. So I started this account here with $1,000, and that was probably a little over 6 months ago, but I was out of internet service for about 3 months. I'm in the Philippines, and oh my gosh, these people, I don't even, I made a video, but they're stealing from the Philippine people, the corporations here, the telecom corporations. I'm not going to get into that, but it's just really crazy. But they got a new internet service here in my area. They're from Australia, and so far they've been pretty good. So I'm just kind of keeping my fingers crossed on that. If you don't have good internet service, trading Forex is not a good idea, because you have to be able to watch these things. And when I say watch them, I mean, keep your chart open, set alerts, and, things like that. So, like, if you set a stop loss, set your alert, set an alert halfway to the stop loss. That way you can get alerted and, cut your losses before it even hits your stop loss. I use the Carl Dittman Pro, which is free. You can get it. You can research. You can Google it and get a free copy of it. But and also you get it with the Forex Strategy. I go by that for setting my stop losses, and that's it right here. Um, Support and resistance. Anywhere that you have a level that where it like stalled out or whatever, and that's not exact. So use your crosshairs. I look at that, and then say, okay, well, there's a level right there, so I'll put a line right there, and then you go up here and you grab this one. There's another little level right there, and I usually go like 50%. Okay, so right now this one is stalled at a level right here, and so there's another level like right here. Okay, now like I said, these aren't exactly you know it's not exact, it's not perfect. The auto fibs, which is also free on the internet, just look at auto fibs and you can get a free copy of those. But they I'm going to post these on my website so you can download them for free, the indicators. It's the settings I use, though. It's not the indicators. It's the settings and how I use them. Okay, so if I was going to take a trade out on this one, reading candlesticks is important. Learn to read candlesticks. But if I was going to take a trade out on this one, what I would do, I would go to the next support and resistance level. I got 205 pips. Okay, that's really not enough for me to take out a trade, but it's at a level right now, and usually they'll stall at a support and resistance level. So right now it's at a support and resistance level, and I've got 200 pips to the next one. So I don't think I would take a trade on that. I would wait, because this candlestick is what they call a doji, and it's actually indicating that it could go down. Let me zoom in on this a little bit. It's actually indicating here that it could go down, even though it's saying up. Now, like I said, the market's closed right now, so yeah, this wick here is longer than on the top than on the bottom, so that's indicating that it could push down. So I would wait for that one to push down a little bit and then go up. So my best Forex strategy explains all that. It's not expensive. There's no monthly fee. The membership blog is free, which I'll be posting on it more. And so just pick up a copy of that, get a free copy of the Codex of Money, and happy trading.